Final module. Overview. The final module is one section that contains different tips and advice related to the TOEFL test and the course. It is divided into Main Tips TOEFL, Tips to manage stress and anxiety before and during tests, Tips for listening, structure, grammar, reading 1 and reading 2. At the end, you will find the final test, which is an output test. Main Tips TOEFL test. In the first presentation, you will find useful tips that are classified as general tips that any student should know before and during the TOEFL test. Tips to manage stress and anxiety. 8 essential tips were chosen to help you manage stress and anxiety that most students experience before and during taking any difficult test. Tips listening, structure, and reading 1 and 2 sections. Listening, structure, and reading. These 3 important sections are key in the preparation course. These are the 3 main aspects evaluated in the TOEFL ITP test. However, the best preparation is practicing through suitable exercises. These 3 sections tell you about what to expect whether you take the paper test or online test, what might prevent you from obtaining the grade you expect, or give you extra techniques to outperform in an unexpected manner. Final test. The final test is a complete mock test for you to practice and see your final performance. At the end of the course. You should be able to see an improvement. Remember, the final performance in this course does not represent what you can really achieve in the actual TOEFL ITP test. You can do it,